Welcome, in this video I will show you how to find computer specs on Windows 10. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, select System, then scroll all the way down to the About section on this list, open it, and in the About section you can find brief information about your device's hardware. Here you can find your device specifications. Below you can find your Windows specifications. If you want to know more about your hardware, you can go elsewhere. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Here, go to Performance section, and in the Performance tab you're gonna find a bunch of different tabs about your device's hardware. And here you can check all the specifications of your device's hardware, as well as monitor them in real time. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.